बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम.
The first question, Assalamu alaikum. Abdullah Muhammad from Lahore, Pakistan. नया साल मुबारक बाद देना सही है? Is it permissible in Islam to wish Happy New Year? A similar question was posed to Sheikh Muhammad Saleh ibn Uthaymeen, that can a person wish a Happy New Year? Or can we respond to someone if he wishes Happy New Year? Sheikh Muhammad Saleh ibn Uthaymeen, he replied that if someone wishes you a Happy New Year, you can respond back. But you should not initiate this greeting. If someone wishes you Happy New Year, you can wish them back by saying, may Allah bless you and give you good in this new year. There's no problem. But you should not initiate this greeting, because according to him, we find that the Salaf Salihin, the Sahabas, the Tabain, the Tabi Tabain, we never find in any of the hadith or any historical record that the Salaf Salihin, they ever wished anyone a Happy New Year. So this is not the Sunnah of the Prophet. It is not amongst the Islamic greetings. But if someone wishes you, it is your duty to respond, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 86, Allah says, وَإِذَا هُيِّتُمْ بِتَحِيَّةٍ فَحَيُّوا بِأَحْسَنَ مِنْهَا أَوْ رُدُّوهَا إِنَّ اللَّهَ كَانَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ حَسِيبًا. Which means that if anyone greets you courteously, you have to wish back more courteously, or at least the same. That means it is fard if someone wishes you Assalamu alaikum, you have to wish back more courteously, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, or at least the same. It is compulsory. So that's the reason, based on this verse of the Quran, if someone wishes you a Happy New Year, you have to respond back better, or at least the same. Wish him back Happy New Year, or wish him back, may Allah bless you or bring you good in this year. But to initiate or say it yourself, it is not amongst the Sunnah. And if someone wishes you initiates, it is not amongst the Sunnah, neither is it forbidden. So this is the ruling as far as wishing Islamic Happy New Year is concerned.